I'm actually proud to be here today. As a Fijian business, we'll work on a new project with an international hotel brand. The signing of a property management agreement between the InterContinental Hotels Group and Avoser Limited for the proposed holiday resort in Denarau. This $70 million project will add another international five-star hotel brand on Denarau, and it is the third hotel project that I have had the opportunity to launch this year. This project will add 187 new rooms for the current inventory and also include a high-end retail and commercial center. As Fiji is venturing into new markets such as Asia, it is important that we are able to offer more than a beautiful destination, and shopping is an important part of any holiday package. Whilst we provide the best and friendliest services, being the happiest people on earth, we need to ensure that we are able to cater to our markets' needs in terms of extra activities, especially high-end shopping. We want our visitors to come to Fiji and enjoy our hospitality, and not just stay in hotels, but go out and spend in our stores. Therefore, such high-end retail and commercial developments are crucial for the growth. One day we want these high-end retail outlets to feature exclusive, authentic Fijian crafted items, as our domestic duty-free outlets are currently retailing. It will be the perfect partnership of international brands working with domestic brands. Ladies and gentlemen, the Inter-Continental Hotel Group is not a new name in Fiji, and they have a very successful partnership with the FNPF in Natandola and Holiday Inn Suva, and this will be their third property in the country. They are a well-renowned hotel franchise beginning in 1946, when the first InterContinental Hotel opened in Benham, I think that's the right pronunciation, in Brazil, and have grown over the decades to 710,000 rooms and 4,800 hotels across nearly 100 countries in North America, Europe, Middle East, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. The InterContinental Fiji Golf and Resort Spa continues to set the standard, not only in Fiji but across the Pacific, for being the first to host the prestigious PGA Golf Tournament last year, an honor they will have again this year in 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, it is very encouraging to see Fijian entrepreneurs entering the tourism and hospitality sector. This signing here today marks the fourth Fijian company in the past 4 months that is linked to the tourism sector. I applaud the enthusiasm from Avoser Limited for venturing into the development of hotels. Such large-scale developments are nothing new for the company, as over the years they have developed residential buildings, commercial buildings, and small hotels, and have done foreshore land developments as well. Other than developments here in Fiji, they've also done commercial and residential development activities in and around Sydney and mostly Australia. Ladies and gentlemen, since the elections, we have seen a renewed confidence of investors, especially in our tourism industry. We have seen new brands such as the Pullman, Ramada, and existing brands such as the InterContinental leaving their mark within Fiji. And it's inspiring for me as a minister to witness the increase in investment by Fijians. This is a classic example of our locals thinking and investing big, not only in our beloved nation, and contributing to the improvement of the livelihoods of all Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, this project will add about 250 new jobs during the construction phase, and 180 Fijians will be employed by the InterContinental Hotels Group when the resort opens for business. I couldn't be more proud of the successes of the 2014 visitor arrivals and earnings, yet we need to strive to make each year bigger and better. The addition of this new hotel and tourism-related activities that come along with it assist the Fijian government in achieving its goals. We are set to achieve similar high records this year, with the first 2 months recording 92,400 visitors, and February alone showing an 8.6% increase in the number of visitors. It is worth noting that the non-traditional markets such as China has a 22% increase, India with a 23% increase, and the rest of Asia with a 72% increase have all shown significant upward trends. The Bainimarama government has set ambitious goals for the tourism industry, and with the numbers that we have recorded over the past year, we are definitely on track to achieve them. The Fijian government's focus is to grow both local and foreign investment and to spread the wealth brought on by these investments to all Fijians. So far, tourism has been the most responsive and proactive contributor towards this initiative. Tourism provides the best avenue for sustainable development, and we will continue to facilitate a positive environment with the pro-growth policies and innovative strategies that will bring prosperity to the Fijian people as a whole. Through our 5-year Fijian Tourism Development Plan, the Ministry will drive our goal of taking tourism industry to new heights and maintain the upward trajectory we have been enjoying thus far. My Ministry is committed towards rolling out this plan in the next few months and ensuring it guides all stakeholders in efficiently maximizing available resources and minimizing waste and coordinating development of the industry. The plan will look at tourism development in all aspects, including investment in enabling infrastructure by the Fijian government, which will in turn allow for more investment by tourism operators. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to again wish the Inter-Continental and Avoser all the best in their partnership and thank our gracious hosts for this wonderful event. Thank you very much.